What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're working on the old Sport Trac.
Camera.
Sport Trac.
Yeah.
And I am joined with the boy Hayden, the boy Michael, the other boy Jake, and the other boy Casey. But look at this junk.
Oh my God.
It looks so pretty. We also have that Ultima Coupe,
Dude,
and we have the S2K. And this is what we're installing. My friend Josh over at Online Parts Pro. Thanks again for helping me out with this. This is a Accel Super Coil ignition coil. This junk is like a powerhouse. It says on the box. Where on the box? Where on the box does it say it? It's on the box somewhere.
Let me get that.
Somewhere on here it says something about better gas mileage. Oh, there it is, right here on the front. Maximum performance, maximum fuel mileage, and maximum throttle response.
Dude, you probably get some gas mileage out of this.
Yeah. So we're replacing the stock ignition coil. I'm pretty sure. I'm 99.99999% sure that is our misfire cause.
Damn, holy nuts.
Yeah. Not entirely. Don't look at the headline or whatever you do.
Like, you're terrible with this thing. Yeah, you're taking care of this vehicle.
But anyway, we're gonna hop into this. Basically the process is very simple. 4 bolts, transfer the spark plug wires over, and plug it in, and we're good to go. So Hayden is going to check over the bolt size. The warranty?
No, I'm talking about.
Oh, the toolbox.
What?
Did you get the warranty on it?
Fuck no, baby. Nope, that's not too big.
I dig the shirt, Hayden. I see what you did there. Is it just because Michael's gonna be here?
What is it?
Yeah, dude, I think
What?
The SRT shirt?
Oh, dude, I went off road and went on one of the sides.
What the heck is that?
One of those brakes controls one of those wheels, and the other one controls the other one.
What in the world?
Oh, so it's like a drift. It's so cool.
Yeah, dude, you can make that
We
thing
all
like
riding
turn
it.
so
Wait, is it a
sharp.
drift? What'd you say?
You can make that
Don't
thing
hit
turn
much
so sharp. You can bunny hop that, dude.
Oh, daddy, it's money hot now.
We're gonna get to work on that, but did you find the size?
Yeah.
So it's
7 millimeter.
4 7mm, and then there's a plug on the back, and then we're gonna transfer the wires over to the Accel.
Hey, okay, I'm trying to open this, but it's not working.
It's like a knife.
Don't rip the
connect?
box. Don't rip the box.
Why?
Yeah, junk. It was running hot. Not like, it wasn't like running overheating hot, but it was
Hey,
definitely higher
join
than
the studio
average.
cool thing.
Dude,
Oh, sick.
there could have been 2 Sport Tracs here if you got here about, what, 10 minutes ago?
Oh, my favorite.
Yep.
Okay, so it's
What was your
basically
sister here?
the same side.
Yeah. It was pretty nice.
Was it better
It
than
was
mine?
nice. I don't know about better, but it was nice.
Like in good shape?
Oh yeah, it was in mint condition. Brand new.
What?
Yeah, man.
So Hayden's going ahead and getting started.
Are you
on
sure it's the
transferring
right way?
wires over.
so you can like,
Yeah,
hold
the
on.
plug is.
So
Yeah.
it's on the back. It's like right on the firewall.
Yeah.
So
Hey.
That is hot!
the G about ate crap. Those wires were like, nah.
Oh God, Jordan, this shit's stuck.
Is it hot?
I wonder if that's why they're not coming off. It's just running hot. Well, I guess we're gonna get back to you guys once we have the wires transferred over to the new coil. So we have 5 of the 6 wires transferred to the Accel coil. And Hayden's taking a rest because literally I pulled in, popped the hood, and we went right to work. So this thing's really hot.
You got fucking nuts.
Is it done?
Digging
No.
his hands in a print. Just
We got one more plug wire to plug in.
One in the
Y'all
back.
ain't done yet?
No, I can't grab the one. Shut up. Shut up. There you go. I'm not grabbing that one back there. Hot as fuck. So hot.
But pardon my dirty engine bay. This thing's nasty.
This one's already plugged in.
I've had a hard time keeping this thing clean. The most I've gotten clean on this is this little piece right here. This should be black.
they're like vice grips to
But,
stitch the things and get it off.
Ooh, the charger. Oh, we're about to see the cleanest engine bay out of all
You
of
didn't
us.
even show them, man.
Yeah, we haven't yet, have we? Get that hood up, boy.
It's actually a V6. Jokes on me.
That's a Pentastar. It's a Pentastar with this cat pack bumper. Y'all thought wrong. Powered by SRT.
See, there's my coil packs.
Yeah, you got them individual coil packs.
Coil unplugged.
Nasty.
Unplugged.
Nasty, that's easier.
Plugs.
But,
That's easier.
But then you have Hayden's S2K, which is should I go ahead and spill the beans that y'all did? Because I hinted at it in the vlog.
Oh, I think you're taking the bracket bolts off.
Hey, look at my tip.
Sorry, too nice. But so Hayden has picked up an exhaust he'll be getting in a couple of weeks while I'm out of town. I think actually, want to be back when you get your exhaust, Hayden? When are you getting your exhaust again? 31st. So he'll be getting an exhaust put on this guy. Jake just put headers on that guy, and I don't know what he's doing. He's got a belt.
Me?
Yeah. But we're gonna go ahead and get finished up with this guy.
Vice grip with you?
This thing to start.
Oh, never mind. You don't need it now.
So Hayden's finished up plugging in the wires, and we're gonna hear it in a second.
Put your phone in there.
No,
Oh, it's gonna get
this phone is too nice.
It honestly kind of hurts your ears in the garage.
Oh gosh. Goodness gracious. So that was the 1.6 Miata with headers, test pipes, and ISR exhaust.
What do they do for the Miata?
Goodness gracious.
1.8. Yeah. Does that sound better?
Looks like we made progress like within that 20 seconds.
Brackets come off.
No.
God damn it. That's 20 seconds, dude. I hate 4Os. Why?
In case you didn't know, Hayden used to own a 4.0, but it was a Mustang, and he hated that car. This guy never got to experience the headache that is a 4.0. Besides the Jeep 4.0, which is also a headache.
The Taurus did show signs of Ford 4.0 in it.
Where?
Misfire.
Oh.
Random misfire in all cylinders.
Hayden, I'm gonna need you to just put this in neutral and back me over now.
If it doesn't work, return it and then get this one.
Alright, so we've got it bolted in, pretty much. The bracket kind of gave Hayden here a hard
Got
time.
it bolted in?
Yeah, basically. But him and Michael were working on the bracket because the bracket was giving him a hard time for it. So we're plugging in the 6th and final spark plug wire.
That's actually cylinder 5. But okay.
What's the 6th wire that needs to be plugged in?
No, it's cylinder number 5 though. As indicated on the factory one.
Yeah, there's our factory one.
Actually,
We
no,
just completely
that's 3.
disregarded
Oh,
it.
yeah,
so,
cylinder 3.
Yeah, there you go.
We completely disregarded the factory one. It's just sitting here. People just kicking it as they walk by.
It's garbage.
It sounds weird. Listen,
It does. It sounds like a marble.
it's so solid.
You could kill somebody with that.
Like, look at him hard enough.
But we're gonna get this hooked up. We actually cleaned the MAF too, so Jake helped me with that as soon as I got here. And then we've got this
12 volts.
hooked up.
Dang, dude, that's a lot of voltage.
Yeah,
it
man, you got
is.
12.
12.
Just look how dirty this thing is. I swear, dude.
You're supposed to clean it. You're supposed to spray it down with agua.
Fire her up.
Here.
See if she's mint.
So we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna clear the KM, clear the check engine light. We're gonna fire it up and hope and hope
One of the bars got crossed.
and hope this thing is done.
Great go.
Somehow you screw the wires up.
Dude, you want some orange fill? I think I might have some.
All right, we're gonna get to work. We're gonna get to that done, and yeah.
Proud at you.
All right, so good news. We are idling smooth. The engine is warm. It's got gas going into. Oh gosh. But no check engine. It's running as smooth as I have it programmed about 700-800 RPM at idle, so it's idling right where it needs to be.
Yeah, it does.
Not a single hop on the engine right now. That is the smoothest this thing has ever ran. It didn't even run this smooth when I got it. My goodness, dude, that is awesome.
That's all the Jeep needed. That's all the Jeep needed.
So, shout out to Josh from Online Parts Pro for getting this to
Shout
me.
out to this kid.
And shout out to these two for helping me out. Hayden has been such a great help. He knew how to do this.
He's going home.
And of course Jake for cleaning the MAF because that was a huge help.
Dude, I
So,
bet if
thank you guys so much.
This car is gonna be so much faster when the map is clean. If
Yeah.
it was nasty,
It's probably gonna be a lot better now that it
Go
can
take it for-
actually spark.
go take it for a spin.
I would, but there are kids behind don't like Mustangs.
Just rev at them, they'll move.
So, I think that's going to do it for this video, guys. Thank
All
you
right, now
guys
we
so
can
much for
finally go do
watching. We'll catch you guys later. Thank you guys again. Go subscribe to all these. Follow Hayden on Instagram. Leave it right here. Right where SRT is, so it
He'll
covers
forget
it up.
because he forgot to blur out something that he was supposed to blur out in the video.
What was I supposed to blur out?
I'm not telling you because people
All right,
don't find it now.
Oh, what's your temporary plate?
No,
I don't know.
Yeah.
But go subscribe to Michael on Instagram and YouTube, Kendallstone_Dodge and Kendallstone on YouTube. Go follow Jake on Instagram, Jake the Snake 97. And Kaysen, you can go find him on YouTube if you want to, MG Productions. He hasn't uploaded in a minute. I don't think he planned to.
Probably not.
And go follow him on Instagram at lazy_VQ. But wow, that is smooth.
Jordan, you can put your hand in there.
Oh, heck no, baby. All right, that'll do it. Thank you guys again.